It's time for the $5 Goodwill Challenge, and if you want to see what I managed to put together, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. And also, don't forget to hit that little bell, that little icon, so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, so let's jump into the challenge. Hillary at Old World Home offers a $5 Goodwill Challenge every season. And this time I decided I needed to get a light for a little corner that was just a little bit dark. So I went to the Goodwill and I managed to find this. And I actually bought two of them. They were $4 each, but I went on the 50% off sale, so I got it for $2. And I thought it would be perfect for either one, to help me brighten up this little corner, and two, something that could fit on my porch for my fall porch decor. So let's just see what I was able to do. This is the corner that I wanted to brighten up. It's just a little bit dark, and I used to have a little vase that sat there, but I'm currently using the vase somewhere else. So I thought, let's find something to brighten up that corner. So I thought if I could figure out how to use this vase and somehow lighten this up, it would make the perfect little corner piece. So let's see if I can get that sorted out. So the things I'm going to need to put this little lamp together is this lampshade, this tall vase, some tape, two Duracell batteries, two AA Duracell batteries, and these silver wire LED lights. This is what I'm going to use to lighten up the center of the lamp. And then the lamp will go on top like that. So let's get it started. So far I've taped the little box down inside here because I really didn't want it to show down in my jar. And now I'm just going to wrap this around inside the bowl of this little lantern. So it looks pretty good. There's my little box in the middle, but you can't see it from the outside. And when you look here, you can see where it's all taped inside there. So let's turn it on and see how it does. So there you have it. Let's turn the light out and... Oh, it turned out nicely, and where I want to put it is kind of a dark corner, so I am pretty pleased. It's beautiful. And here it is in place, brightening up that corner just as I wished. So it worked out perfectly. So here's my question for you. Do you have a better way that I could have fixed that wire inside that lampshade? Tell me in the comment section below. Let me take this opportunity to thank Hillary at Hillary's Old World Home for hosting this challenge. It was really a lot of fun trying to figure out what to do with this lampshade, and it worked out just as I thought it would, and it was a DIY, so go figure. If you're not familiar with Hillary's channel, I'll link it below because she really does some pretty cool things over there, and I'll also link the playlist when it's available so that you can see what the other creators have also done. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.